What a lovely day. Oh, hello, Alexa. I wonder what the weather's going to be like. Let's see.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the news. Upsetting stories that nobody wants to hear are on their way, but first it's time for the weather. Get ready because a big snowstorm is on its way. Viewers are advised, that's the word I'm looking for. Silly news guy Bob. Viewers are advised to stay inside and prepare for the weather by getting things that are necessary for the snowstorm. Silly news guy Bob again. And now it's time for the part that nobody likes, the news. Yes, I know. Sister, you're never going to believe what I heard again. Rose, what the?
Don't worry, Gigi, I'm perfectly fine. Thanks for asking. Now, what was that I wanted to tell? Sister, guess what? It's going to snow!
Snow? As in snow?
Yes, sister, I just saw it on the news. Isn't that wonderful?
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Sister, did you just take a call directly from the office? I don't care, Rose.
I hate the snow!
But why? Because it's mushy, it's cold, you slip on it and break your ass. I hate the snow. And furthermore, don't get me started on Sandra in the snow. Sandra? What does Sandra do with the snow? It's what she doesn't do. She can't get me a snowblower. We already discussed this just a couple of episodes ago. Sister, what did I tell you about breaking the fourth? Shush, Rose! Mom. Oof.
Seriously, you too, Sandra?
Don't worry, Mom. I'm perfectly fine. Thanks for asking. Now, what was it I wanted to... Mom, did you hear the wonderful news that it's going to snow?
Wonderful?
I heard that too, Sandra. Isn't that just wonderful?
You already said it's wonderful!
Shush, sister. You say it to me all the time, and now I'm saying it to you. Shush, sister. Yeah, that's only fair. Now, I'm so excited that it's gonna snow. Is there anything you need, Mom?
Actually, as a matter of fact, Sandra.
As a matter of fact, I don't think you say it like shh. Why does everyone shush each other? Can't we?
You're not saying it right!
Yes, sister, you said why does everybody shush each other? It's not shush each other, it's why does everybody shush?
Okay, that's it! The next person to say an improper grammar sentence has to stand in the snow!
Actually, I wouldn't mind it. No, me neither. I actually really enjoy
both of you shush!
Now, Sandra, there is something I need. A jacket?
No!
Warm winter jacket?
Why does that make a difference? Why does it make a difference what type of jacket? I need a snowblower!
Oh, a snowblower. That would be really useful, Mom.
Can you go to the mall and get one?
The mall? Wait, no, Sandra, I'm at the hardware store. Bye, Mom! You walked right into that one, sister. I mean, you know how much Sandra stops at.
Shush, Rose!
Well, at least you said it right this time. Okay, let's see. Doritos, animal crackers, pretzels.
Rose, where are you? I'm doing something useful. Making sure we have enough food for the snowstorm. Why don't we have dog treats?
Fair. All done.
There you are, Rose. What the hell is that?
Why, this, sister, is a list of all the wonderful things we could do in the snow.
You and I must have different definitions of the word wonderful.
Would you like to hear my list?
No.
Let's see. We can make snow angels.
Oh yeah, that's what I want to do. Rub my back all over the snow.
Good night, everybody. Let's see, we can have a snowball fight.
If I didn't want to rub my back on the snow, what makes you think I want to have it thrown at me? Rose.
We could build a snowman.
and waste a carrot while we're at it.
We could, excuse me, Mr. Marker. We could skate? Sister, we could skate? Sister?
I'm not even going to respond to that one, Rose. You fall in the water, hypothermia.
We could sled?
And crash into the building next door and get hurt.
We could build a fort?
And have it fall on you, get in your snow outfit, and then get hypothermia.
What snow outfit?
I meant the jacket.
Oh. We could, I can't even read my own handwriting. Let's see here. Oh, we could write in the snow.
What do we write in the snow?
Our names.
My name is just a saved letter.
I know. Let's see here. We could count the snow.
No, we can't. There's too much.
And we could shovel.
Wow, out of everything on the list, Rose, shovel. You want a shovel?
Yes.
Well, in that case, you're going to be the one to do it.
I don't mind shoveling. Sister, look! The news is on.
The news is important. Let's listen.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the news. I have something that's gonna make you laugh. So, remember how I said we were getting a big snowstorm earlier? Well, this is the part where you laugh. Hopefully. It turns out we're just getting snow flurries, not a snowstorm. Isn't that funny though? I made you think a snowstorm was coming. And it's just flurries, that's funny, right? I hope I can keep my job. Who threw that?
Oh, so it's not going to be a lot of snow?
Good!
Well, so much for the things on the list. Wait a minute. Sister, guess what?
What?
If it snows even a little bit, we could still write our names and count the snow. And if there's enough, we could still make snow angels. Oh boy, we can do some of the things on the list. In fact, I'm going to go outside and wait for it to snow right now. Hooray!
Have fun outside, Rose. Crazy sister. What the? Sandra? What does she want?
Hi, Mom. By the way, if you're wondering where the phone is, it's right on the bottom of the floor. You see, I hit the button and then
It could get stolen!
Mom, I'm calling because I just saw the news saying that it's not going to snow really hard.
Excellent.
So, I decided to get something we're going to need for the cold. A jacket!
We're gonna share one jacket?
Oops, I meant to say 3 jackets! Goodbye, Mom, I love you.
I can't take it anymore! I want pretzels.